Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your PIN in Wise. So how do you change your PIN in Wise? This is exactly what you can do to get that done. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Wise account. Okay, because this is a beginner's tutorial, I don't want to assume that you have created an account on Wise and you know how to get that done. In order for you to get that done easily, I'd like you to know that you can access Wise using any browser of your choice. Right here, I chose to use Chrome. So at the top corner, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type wise.com, and it's going to take you to the official website. In there, follow through with the on-screen prompt and instructions to create your account. And once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage that's customized just for you. So now that we're here, I'd like you to know what Wise is shortly. So Wise is this international payment platform where you can pay, make payments, deposit, request, send, and do whatever you want to do in multi-currency. So whatever currency that you want around the world, around the globe, you can find it on Wise. You can definitely create balances in multi-currency on Wise and make very seamless payments with really fair exchange rates. Okay, so now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to change your PIN on Wise. So this is the home page, as you can see, and you see the home, you see card, recipient, manage, you see earn this. So it means you can, there's an easy way for you to earn 50 euros on Wise. So go with that then. So head over to the top right corner of your screen where you're going to find your name. So this is my profile name, Amanda Mac. So click on that. So to click on that, you're going to see an extended menu. So here say statements and report, settings, you see help center, you see logout, and of course you see open a business account. So there's an option for you to, of course, open up your business account if you want that. So go ahead and click on settings. So once you click on settings, you're going to see a host of options open up to you. So email settings, notifications, connected accounts, language settings, change password, contact on Wise, two-step verification, secure communication code, log of all devices, API tokens, webhooks, and then close your account. So if you want to change your PIN, of course, which is also your password on Wise. So this is your PIN. Okay, so go ahead and open that up and scroll down. Now it says, we will never send you a temporary password by phone, email, or text message. When changing your password, always use something that's only known by you. All right, so right here, you're going to have to enter your current password on Wise, which is already saved here. And here you're going to enter your new password on Wise. So what's the new password you want to use? Let's say that. So it's going to take some time for them to get this sorted because you're going to have to go through a process of verification. So I'm going to wait for that to occur before we're sure that this password has been changed. Okay, so you go ahead to click on the save until you have gotten the notification that your password has been changed. Yes, so current password doesn't seem like so. It seems already that we have already made this change already. Okay, so no change password and current password has already been saved on Google, so it has also been saved on Wise. So enter your current password, enter your new password, and once you enter your new password, click on save, and you're definitely going to notify you that that has been saved. Okay, so this is pretty much the process. So I'm gonna head over to home. So once you're getting back on Wise, and let's say you logged out of Wise and you want to log in again and go through the process to enter your new PIN, which is your new password. So don't forget the password, or it's even easier if you saved it on Google like I did. So once you're about entering the password, Google is definitely going to remind you of the password. All you just need to do is to just click on that and you'll be good to go. So this is pretty much the process. Ensure that you see that Google has saved your password and it has definitely been saved on Wise before you proceed. If not, you're definitely going to be using the old password. But then this is definitely the process that you can take to change your PIN, otherwise known as your password on Wise. So this is it. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.